Hello friends, welcome to Mind Your Math. This is yours Konakiran Reddy. In this video, let us discuss Koushal Quiz 2022 School Level Screening Test 10th Class Mathematics Key and Solutions. Here is the first problem. If A and B are two non-empty sets such that A minus B equal to 5 and B minus A equal to 5. See here, A minus B equal to 5 and B minus A equal to 5. Then which of the following is true? A is subset of B is subset of A intersection B equal to 5, A equal to B. Here A minus B equal to 5 and B minus A equal to 5. Both are true means there is clearly A equal to B. Both are true, that means A minus B equal to 5 and B minus A equal to 5. Both are true when A equal to B only. So option D, A equal to B is correct. Second problem. If A equal to x such that x belongs to n, comma, x is a perfect square number less than 100, B equal to x such that x belongs to n, x is a perfect cube number less than 100, then what is number of A intersection B? Let us write the elements of A and elements of B. Whenever we are writing a competitive exam, you need not to write each and every step. But for your convenience and to understand easily, I am writing the steps clearly. So let us write A equal to x belongs to n, that means x is a natural number. X is a perfect square number less than 100. So that means we need to write perfect square numbers less than 100. What are the perfect square numbers we have less than 100? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. So these are the perfect square numbers less than 100. B equal to, we need to write perfect cube numbers less than 100. What are the perfect cube numbers? Suppose 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube that will be 125. Let us stop here. Now A intersection B equal to, you see what are the numbers common in both the sets A and B? We have 1 and 64. So only two numbers we have. So 1 comma 64. So number of A intersection B equal to, how many numbers we have in A intersection B? We have only 2. So option C is correct in this case. Let us go to next problem. In a right circular cone, the cross section made by a plane parallel to the base is, suppose we have a right circular cone like this. The cross section made by a plane parallel to the base. This is the base. This is the base. The cross section made by a plane parallel to base is just like this. So that will be in the shape of a circle. This is also in the shape of a circle. So option D, circle, is correct. Next problem. If 35 is removed from the data 30, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, then the mean is increased by. Here the data values are 30, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. First let us find out the mean of these values. So mean equal to, how to find out mean? Mean equal to sum of observations by number of observations. That is equal to, we need to add all this and then divided by how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 numbers we have. So this is the first mean or mean of the original numbers. This is equal to, if you add all these things, how much you will get? 289 divided by 8. This is equal to, if you divide 289 by 8, how much you will get? So the original mean, let us take original. So the original mean is 36.125. Now if 35 is removed from this, 35 is removed, then the sum will be decreased by 35. So 289 minus 35, that is equal to 254. So therefore in this case mean equal to 254 divided by 7. So this is equal to, now let us divide 254 by 7, 254 by 7. 7 times 3 is 21, 4 will be there, 44. 7 times 6 is 42, 2 will be there. Put a point here, 0. 7 times 2 is 14, 6 will be there. 0 take 0. 7 times 8 is 56. Let us ignore here. This is equal to 36.28. So therefore the difference equal to 36.28 minus 36.125. Let us ignore this 5. So this is 6 and this is 1 and 0. So 0.16 is the answer. So option A is the answer. But whenever you are doing competitive exam, you need not to write all these things like this. You can ignore some steps. You can skip some steps actually. Let's go to next problem. If in two triangles DEF and PQR, angle D equal to angle Q and angle R equal to angle E, then which of the following is not true? Be sure not true. Okay. Here in the options, we are given the ratios of side lengths. So let us find out the ratios of side lengths in the two triangles. So the two triangles are, one is DEF and other one is PQR. So let us take one triangle as this one as DEF suppose. Now let us draw another triangle. Whenever we are giving a name to second triangle, we need to take these two into consideration. Angle D equal to angle Q. So angle D, this one is equal to angle Q. So take this one as Q. Now angle R equal to angle E. So where is angle E? Here is angle E. This is equal to angle R. So write R here. Then write P here. So therefore from these two we can say that according to AA similarity, triangle DEF is similar to triangle QRP. Triangle QRP, not triangle PQR. Be sure. Whenever we are writing similarities, order is very important. Now, which of the following is not true? So first let us take the ratios of side lengths. DE divided by QR. So QR is equal to EF divided by RP. So EF divided by RP. Then that is equal to DF divided by QP. So DF divided by QP. So these are the ratios we have. Now let us check the options. A, DE by QR equal to DF by QP. This is true. But we need to find out which one is not true. Second one, EF by RP equal to DE by QR. So this is also true. Then EF by PR equal to DF by PQ. Yeah, this is also true. The only option which is not true is D. You see, DE by PQ. We don't have DE by PQ. DE by QR we have. So this is the false option. So that means we need to find out which is not true. So correct answer is D. Let's go to next problem. Corresponding sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio of 2:3. If the area of small triangle is 48 square centimeter, then the area of large triangle is in square centimeter. Suppose we have two triangles like this. The ratio of side lengths is 2 here, suppose here this is 3. Then small triangle has the area 48 square centimeters. Then what is the area of the large triangle? Suppose this is ABC and suppose this is PQR. Given that these two are similar triangles, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That is we are given. We know that ratios of areas of similar triangles will be in the ratios of squares of the corresponding side lengths. That means here in this case, if you take triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, this is equal to, here in this case we can say 2 by 3 whole square. Now area of triangle ABC, this is the smaller triangle, so that is 48 divided by, let us take this one as A, equal to 2 by 3 whole square means 4 by 9. We need to find out the value of A. So cross multiply. Or you can write a by 48 equal to 9 by 4. So take the reciprocals of both. So that means a equal to 9 by 4 into 48. 4 times 1, and this is 4 times 1 and 4 times 2. 9 into 12 is equal to 108. So option B is correct in this case. Let's go to next problem. If polynomial x cube plus x square minus ax plus b is divided by x square minus x, then the values of a and b is. Here, given polynomial, let us take p of x equal to x cube plus x square minus ax plus b. This is being divided by x square minus x. Here x square minus x equal to, we can take x common, that will be within the brackets, that will be x minus 1. You can write this is equal to x minus 0 times x minus 1. Now if this value x minus 0 into x minus 1 divides p of x, that means x minus 0 is a factor of p of x and x minus 1 is also a factor of p of x. So therefore, according to factor theorem, p of 0 equal to 0 and p of 1 equal to 0. P of 0 equal to 0 means, let us plug in x equal to 0 in p of x. So 0 cube plus 0 square minus a into 0 plus b equal to 0. From this we get b equal to 0. Now let us take p of 1 equal to 0. Let us plug in x equal to 1. 1 cube plus 1 square minus a into 1 plus b equal to 0. 1 cube means 1, 1 square is 1 minus a plus b value we found already, that is 0 equal to 0. From this 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus a equal to 0. So from this a equal to 2. A equal to 2 and b equal to 0. So option C is correct. But here you need not to find out the value of a. Without finding the value of a also we can choose the option. B equal to 0 here we got. So b equal to 0 we have only in option C. So without finding the value of a, we can choose the answer as C. Let's go to next problem. If L equal to log 64 base 2 and B equal to log 125 base 5, then what is the area of rectangle in square units? Given that L equal to log 64 base 2, you can write this one as log 64 can be written as 2 power 6 to the base 2. So this is equal to, we can bring this 6 to front side. So this is equal to 6 times log 2 base 2. We know that log 2 base 2 equal to 1. Log a base a equal to 1. That is why log 2 base 2 1. So 6 into 1, which is equal to 6. So therefore length equal to 6. Then b equal to log 125 base 5. This is equal to 125 can be written as log 125 can be written as 5 cube to the base 5. This is equal to, you can bring this 3 to front side. The formula is log m to the power of n base a equal to, you can bring this n to front side. N log m to the base a, this is the formula. If you bring this 3 to front side, this will become 3 log 5 to the base 5. This is equal to 3 times log 5 to the base 5 is 1. So which is equal to 3. So we got length equal to 6 and breadth equal to 3. Therefore area A equal to L into B, which is equal to 6 into 3, that is equal to 18. So option D is correct. Once again I am repeating, whenever we are competitive exam, we need not to write all the steps. For easy understanding, I am writing all the steps. Let us go to next problem. Here in this one, the question is incomplete. Here we need some data. Some data is missed. So I can't do this problem. So I am skipping this question. Let's go to the next question. If cosecant A equal to root 10, then the value of tan A. So given that cosecant A equal to root 10, we need to find out tan A equal to how much. You can do this problem in so many ways. I am using one method. Cosecant A we have. So from this we can find out cot square value. So cot square A equal to cosecant square A minus 1. So this is equal to cosecant A is root 10. So cosecant square A means root 10 whole square and minus 1. This is equal to root 10 whole square means square and root will be cancelled. 10 minus 1 means 9. So from that, cot A equal to root 9, which is equal to 3. If cot A equal to 3, then tan A equal to, that is the reciprocal of cot A, that will be 1 by 3. So option P is correct. Next problem. What is the decimal expansion of 13 by 6250? So 13 by 6250. This is equal to 13 by, we know that, you see here 625. 625 is square of 25. So 25 square is 625. So we can write this one as 25 square into 10. Now this is equal to 13 by 25 square. 25 can be written as 5 square. So 5 square whole square. So 5 square whole square into 10. So this is equal to 13 by 5 square whole square means 5 to the power of 4 times 10. Now in the denominator, if we have multiples of 10, then it is easy to write the given value into decimal form. For that, what we do is, here we have 5 power 4, multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 power 4. So that this is equal to 13 times 2 power 4 is 16 divided by 5 power 4 into 10 into 2 power 4. We can write this as 5 into 2 whole to the power of 4 into 10. This is equal to 13 into 16. I am multiplying here 13, 16. 6 times 3 is 18. 1 will be carry. 6 times 1 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1 is carry and 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 2. So this is equal to 208. 208 divided by 5 into 2 is 10. 10 to the power of 4 into 10 means 10 to the power of 5. So 10 to the power of 5. This is equal to 208 here. If you convert this into decimal form, we need to write 0, 0, 0, 0 like that. 10 to the power of 5 is in the denominator. So let us count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after this we need to put decimal point. So the answer is 0. We can ignore this 0. 0.00208. So option C is correct in this case. Let us go to next problem. If alpha, beta are the zeros of polynomial such that alpha plus beta equal to 10 and alpha beta equal to 6, then the polynomial is, given that alpha plus beta equal to 10 and alpha into beta equal to 6. If alpha plus beta and alpha beta are known, then the quadratic polynomial x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So this is equal to x square minus, actually general form means we need to write k into like this, but we can ignore k here. We can take k equal to 1 here. So this is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta, that is given as 10. So 10x plus alpha into beta, that is given, that is 6. So option B is correct in this case. X square minus 10x plus 6. Let us go to next problem. Volumes of two spheres are in the ratio 64:27. The ratio of their surface areas is, here we are given spheres. What is the formula to find out the volume of a sphere? Volume of a sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here we have two spheres. So V1 by V2 like this we can take. This is equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube divided by 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. So this is equal to, given that is equal to 64:27. That means we can write that one as 64/27. 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi gets cancelled. We can write from this one r1 by r2 whole cube equal to 64/27 can be written as, this is equal to 64 is 4 cube, 27 is 3 cube. So this can be written as 4 by 3 whole cube. So from this we can write r1 by r2 equal to 4 by 3. Now the ratio of their surface areas. So So surface area of first sphere by surface area of second sphere equal to, what is the formula to find out the surface area of a sphere? That is equal to 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r1 square divided by 4 pi r2 square. 4 pi gets cancelled. This is equal to r1 by r2 whole square. This is equal to 4 by 3 whole square. This is equal to 16 by 9. That means 16 is to 9. So option P is correct. Let's go to next problem. If secant theta equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square, then the value of cot theta. So here given that secant theta equal to a square minus b square divided by a square plus b square. We need to find out the value of cot theta. As we are given secant theta, we can find out tan theta from this one. So we know that tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. This is equal to secant square theta means a square minus b square by a square plus b square whole square. But here as we have squares, for easy calculation, let us take this as a square as x and b square as y. So x minus y by x plus y we can write. So secant square theta means x minus y by x plus y whole square minus 1. This is equal to x minus y whole square divided by x plus y whole square minus 1. This is equal to x minus y whole square. We can take the LCM, so we will get minus of x plus y whole square divided by x plus y whole square. So this is equal to x minus y whole square minus of x plus y whole square. If you expand, you will get x minus y whole square. If you expand, x square plus y square minus 2xy. Then for x plus y whole square, you will get x square plus y square plus 2xy. But you have minus before that. So minus x square minus y square minus 2xy we will get divided by x plus y whole square. So x square minus x square gets cancelled, y square minus y square gets cancelled. The remaining values are, this is equal to minus 2xy means minus 4xy. So that is equal to minus 4xy divided by x plus y whole square. This is the value of tan square theta. So therefore tan theta equal to, from this we will get square root of minus 4xy by x plus y whole square. This is equal to minus 4 into, what is x actually? X is a square. So minus 4a square times y means b square divided by a square plus b square whole square under the root. Now I am writing here the answer. This is equal to square root of minus 4 is nothing but 2i. Then for a square the root is a, for b square the root is b, divided by a square plus b square whole square under the root we have. So square and root will be cancelled. We will get a square plus b square. This is the value of tan theta. We need to find out cot theta. So cot theta equal to a square plus b square divided by 2i into ab. Actually in the options we don't have anyone which is equal to this one. So this is a add score question. But if we ignore I, option D seems that is correct, but D is not exactly correct. Why? Because we have I here in the answer. So this is a add score question. Next, the last problem. If tan theta equal to 5 by 12, then the value of secant theta plus cosecant theta. Given that tan theta equal to 5 by 12, we need to find out secant theta plus cosecant theta. Tan theta equal to 5 by 12 we are given. If you draw the diagram, tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. If you take this one as theta, then opposite is 5, adjacent is 12. Now we know that the Pythagorean triplet for 5, 12 is, that is 13. This is equal to secant theta means hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. So 13 by 12 plus cosecant theta means hypotenuse divided by opposite side, that is 5. Now this is equal to, take the LCM, 12 times 5 is 60. So do cross multiplication, 13 times 5 is 65 plus 13 times 12. So 13 times 12 is 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, so 5, 1 times 1 is 1, so 156. This is equal to, if we add 65 and 156, we will get 6 plus 5 is 11. This is 2, 2. So this is equal to 221 by 60. Option D is correct. With this, the solutions of Koushal Quiz 2022 10th class mathematics solutions are over. Hope you like my explanations. If you like my explanations, please like, share, please do comment in the comment section and press subscribe button as well as bell button to get notifications of my future videos. Thank you one and all. Thank you, yours Kona Kiran Reddy.